Hoozin.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. My name is Hoozin and I'm a co-founder at Hoozin. We're an Israeli startup, and actually our vision is to redefine the way group of friends communicate on mobile. So let's take a look at this picture. What you can see here is a group of friends hanging out, having some fun, probably the way you do with your friends, and this is me and my friends hanging out, more or less like this. On the other way, this is how you interact with your friends on the mobile devices. It's all linear list of messages, the same. Let's take a quick look again. This is successful group interaction on real life, but this is how you do it on the mobile phone. So, obviously, as you can see, there is a huge gap, and I want to show you what we are doing to minimize this gap. So we were thinking, what is really missing between these two pictures? And how can we fit this pretty amazing group feeling into the mobile? And when we thought about it, we understand that the essence of this group feeling is actually us. It's the people in the group. So the first thing we did is to take the people, the group, and put it in the center. So now, as you can see, the people in the group are sitting around the table, just like in the picture, and you actually can see the group all the time, and most importantly, be a part of a group. The basic communication is based on messages that have a unique way to appear on the screen. They are piling up like cards in the middle, related to the one that told it. And this new paradigm really brings much more possibilities into the table. First of all, think about how you express your feelings today on social apps. Today you express your feelings within a message, right? You write what you feel, or you use emoticons or stickers, but in real life, emotions are expressed between people, and this is what we are trying to do. You can use a variety of animation between you and your friends, not within a message. So you can send a tomato to someone that was annoying, or send a kiss to your girlfriend. This is my girlfriend, by the way. And so messages, and while all the group is watching at the same time that you are doing it. So this is the first thing. The second thing is group games. When we had the first product, we suddenly understand that it fits perfectly for group games. You see, the participants are around the table. You just need to bring on the game, right? You can do party games or any card games just integrated naturally within the product. What's so unique about it is the games are happening in the same place of the conversation. You don't need to download another app or to move to another screen. It's all happening here in the same screen. Besides, and in addition to all the fun stuff, we can also give you unique interaction tools that actually make the conversation much easier. One example is this vote feature, when you can ask your friends to vote on where to go or what to do, and you immediately see their answers on the screen, on their pictures. And it's like raising your hand around the table. Moreover, you can tell a secret to one or more from the participants, just clicking on him and send private message within the group space, like having multiple conversations within the family dinner or whatever. So I want to conclude the differentiation of the product with this slide. I hope you will be with me. What you can see here is the evolution of messaging over the years. And what's amazing that even though technology has great leaps every 2-3 years, the basic experience of messaging had never changed. Up to 2010, they were all under what we are calling the utilitarian line. They were designed to deliver fast, free, and easy messaging. The entrance of the emoticons to the iPhone symbolized the change of focus for developers, and they were starting to think how to implement emotions and how to make messaging apps much more fun and interactive. But we believe that something needs to be changed in order to give the sensation of real-life group conversation, like in the picture in the beginning. And this is where we come in. We believe that we managed to cross this linear paradigm line and to create a new social platform for group experience that bring much more possibilities to the table. I believe I crossed my 5 minutes time, so one sentence about the business model. We have a lot of content possibilities within the platform, and these content possibilities can easily be translated into revenues. So thank you very much. The app is available on the App Store and Google Play. I would love your feedback. Thank you very much.
So basically, your unique value proposition is that you actually focus on the group chatting and provide the new user interface or function compared with other existing big player like Line or Kakao. Is that right, understand?
Yes and no, because what we are seeing now from live users that it really creates a new behavior for users. This is creating much more real-time behavior, because when you when you write a message, you immediately see who's online in front of you in the room. And this is like, it's a different behavior, because you write a message, everybody's suddenly online, and then you play games. It's more than hangout place than group messaging, but of course there are competitors, and there are big competitors. But it is a different behavior.
I see, I see the social angle that you've gone for. To me, I'll be frank, it doesn't seem transformative enough to have widespread application in the social sphere, given that these current networks are just so popular. WeChat, WhatsApp, all these other guys. However, have you explored other applications to it? Not a social experience? Because it doesn't seem to me like that problem is there.
Like a business?
Anything at all? Because I mean, like, if we're looking at a problem, what problem are you really solving? I don't think it's like a problem. You're saying we can enhance this mobile experience a little more, but you're positioning it as a complete transformation to what's currently out there. But I see potential in the application in something else, perhaps.
I think what we can see now, the biggest potential is these group games. No one really brings you group games within the communication. You always need to download another app. So this is, now it's a war of content, you know. We need to bring a lot of content to the app. This is what we are doing. A lot of animation, a lot of games, and this is the war we're having. As for businesses, it would be amazing for businesses, but it's, you know, it's another company. So maybe in the future.
Okay. So my comment again is there's nothing new. So it could be it's one of those things that for the entrepreneurs in the room, the typical big ideas tend to be, you should know this already by now. Half of you think it's stupid, half of you think it's cool. So I probably think it's stupid, but so my question is there any traction so far that gives you certain things? Like you did say something about group games, right? So in my head it was kind of like maybe the interesting niche or pivot you can go for is group dating while playing games, kind of. Right, and then you can chat and you can slap and shit like that, so that might make some sense. Otherwise, okay, would I slap my friends? I have Line or Kakao to slap you, I don't need this to slap you, so maybe there's some twist to this that might make sense. Comment.
Thank you.
I had US services, communication tools, but globally there are similar services. For example, Israel is rounds.
Rounds is slightly different because it's real time, it's video chatting. So there are not head-to-head competition. Thank you.